Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty flower macrame pattern that's a part of my Marigold macrame shoulder bag. And this is one of my newest designs in Macrame Makers Club, my macrame membership that has I think it's about over 50 different macrame projects right now, all ranging from wall hangings to plant hangers to bags to accessories, home decor, and so on. So the full pattern for this whole bag, to make the entire bag, is available to all the members of the club, as well as on Etsy as an individual design. But today in this video, we're going to focus on how to make these flowers so that you can create all kinds of different designs using this type of pattern. So let's get started. Well, hello. Hello. We have a little kitty visitor today. Hi. Will you get off the table, please? Oh my God. Thank you. All right, let's get to it. So to make one of these flowers, we need 4 cords, and I'm going to pick these 4 cords here. We'll need 2 filler cords. My white ones are the filler cords here, and the central cords are the 2 knotting cords that will make the flower. So the first step is to place our filler cords over the knotting cords like this, one coming from the right, one coming from the left, and the filler cords overlap each other. And we're actually using both of the filler cords as the filler cord for this first knot. So let's start with the right knotting cord. So the knotting cords are underneath the filler cords, and we'll bring the knotting cord over the 2 fillers, and then we'll grab it from here below, and then we pull it through, so it creates like a little half hitch like that. And then we'll repeat on the other side. We'll grab the cord, bring it over, and press it through this loop and pull it to the back. There. So that's our first knot, and then we just pull the filler cords like this. Slowly our knot starts tightening. One at a time we pull on the knotting cords, and so on. You can just keep on pulling until your knot is the tightness you want. So for me that's good. Then we're going to make 2 knots on the sides. So first we'll make a half hitch with the left cord on the left filler cord. So we bring the knotting cord over the filler and then underneath through like this, and we tighten this. This is a half hitch, and then we repeat it, but instead of going over under like this, we're actually gonna go in the opposite direction. So we bring the filler cord underneath, the knotting cord underneath the filler cord, and then over and through this loop like that. And then we're just going to tighten it like this. So it's kind of a lark's head knot, if you recognize it. Then we just repeat on the other side. So first filler cord, knotting cord goes over the filler cord, underneath through the loop, like that. There. And then the other way around. So knotting cord goes under the filler, over and through, like that. So now we've got kind of like 2 lark's heads here, one on the left and one on the right. And now all we need to do is close this flower. So again, we bring the filler cords over each other like this. And for this knot, we'll use 2 filler cords inside the knot. So here we repeat the first one. So knotting cord goes over both filler cords and underneath through the loop like that, and then the same on the other side, over, through, under, there. And then we just tighten it. There. And to create this lovely pattern that I have here, you need to combine these knots or combine the flowers together. And for that, we'll use 2 cords from one flower and 2 cords from the other. And in this one, we're going to bring these cords. So these are our filler cords now. So the flower cord is the filler cord. And we bring them on top of each other like this. And then bring knotting cords, which are now these, over the fillers. And repeat kind of what we did, but it is in a different order. The cord goes over the fillers, then under, then through, like that. Then repeat on the other side, under, through, and over, like this. So it's a little bit different than what we did before. And then we just tighten this one as well. Like that. And we can keep going and making our lovely flower net. And there we go. I really hope you enjoyed making this flower pattern, and now you can make all kinds of different designs using this type of macrame senet. And if you want to make the full bag, so this specific bag, you can join my macrame membership to get the full pattern, or you can purchase it individually on Etsy. I'll put the links in the description below and also on my channel. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe so you don't miss out any future macrame patterns that I post on here. Bye!